In this video, we're going to continue talking about projects inside of Viva Goals, but instead of building a task list like we did last time inside of Viva Goals, we're going to connect to a planner board. This is a really neat way to be able to use a tool that many people already use inside their office. So I'm going to open up my planner board and you'll see that I've already created a planner board called the automation team. And the automation team already has several tasks built out. We have some tasks that are built out for how we're going to automate redundant tasks, and we're going to build a customer service bot. We can actually tie the completion of these tasks will drive a project inside of Viva Goals. All right, so we're going to set up a new project. The easiest way to do it is to move across the objective that it's going to align with. The second choice in the drop downs is add a child item. The second choice is add a project. We're going to call this launch automation team. It's owned by me. That's fine. You can click on that and assign it to somebody else. And then the time frame is currently defaulting to the same time frame as the objective, which is an annual objective. So I'm going to click on this because we want to get this done in Q1. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu next to period, and you're going to see all of the choices for 2023, and that's just because I'm recording this video in 2023. If you go all the way down to the more, then you'll see all of our 2024 choices. I'm going to select Q1. So now we have the basics of the project set up. But under outcome, we're going to click add task, but this time we're going to add the task from a planner board. And so you can see here, there's an option called automatically update from a data source. So I'm going to click that button, and then you're going to see above that, there are the choices of your integrations. Again, there are multiple integrations within Viva Goals. I'm just talking about Planner in this particular video. So I'm going to click on the Planner. It may ask you to log in the first time you do this, but you can see it's going to pull up and it's going to say, hey, you've got a connection to your planner board. Which plan do you want to use? And so any planner board you can select. You can select to just do one bucket. So let's just say we wanted to have a project that was just around the service bot. We could click that, and the progress will only be tied to one bucket in the planner board. In this case, I'm going to leave it as any. You can also choose labels. You can choose specific task. You can choose, is it just one person that we're tracking, or is it anybody? And then the final choice, is it the percent of tasks completed or the percent of checklist items completed. So you can even get to a lower level of detail to track your priorities. So I'm going to go ahead and say next. It's going to connect those two. And if you look, we've already got all of the tasks from the planner board connected inside of Viva Goals. Again, you'll see it's going to update from the task. You can always change that. And this is going to be done automatically. And so now, as we get things done, you can see here, by the way, there's a planner icon in the last updated column. And now as we go to our planner board and we click off our task, you're going to see those changes update and progress move forward in Viva Goals. A couple of quick caveats of things I know that are issues, not necessarily issues, but technicalities when you're working with the planner integration with Viva Goals. So we just set up launch automation team and I connected it to my planner board. And of course, I've already marked off two tasks. What's going on? Because if I go to Viva Goals, it's not updating. The last update was 22 minutes ago, but it's saying not started. Well, because I'm recording this video in November of 2023, and I established this as a Q1 project, it's not looking at anything that's been started yet because all of my tasks, it's not even looking because this isn't even an active period. So let's just do a check, and I'm going to change this to Q4, which is the current Q4 2023. It's giving me a warning. It's like, hey, wait a minute, this is outside the parent objective, but we're just going to ignore that and say done. And so now when we go back and we take a look at the updates, which it's doing right now, it's now updated 20% because it sees that 2 of the 10 tasks in the planner board have been completed. So just one caveat when you're working with this: if you are working with the planner board that is outside of the current period of the project, that could be an issue.